Cookie.
It would be fun, they should. What? Oh my god! That is the best looking. Oh my god, I want that. It's like a bed in a pirate ship, but to get to it, you have to walk across a rope bridge, which you have to climb up a ladder to get to, and oh my god! It's so cool!
Where's the dog? Cookie, sit. Sit. Cookie Hill.
Where is this food? I want this food. Oh my god.
They can only hear you on the YouTube video stuff.
I don't care, I'm hungry. So hungry.
She likes the bird and the dog sound the best.
I guess.
Hmm?
She don't like the cat at all.
Oh, she gives it a weird look, the cat.
Huh?
Get the frog. Get the froggy. No, she'll rather scratch herself.